The year 2026, by my assessment, is shaping up to be the apex of planned obsolescence, a digital graveyard for hastily engineered consumer-grade trash. Devices designed for failure, for the relentless churn of quarterly sales figures, not for enduring performance. This environment makes a truly robust tool, one built for longevity and consistent output, a defiant anomaly. We are examining such a defiance today, the Electric Callus Remover. For the high-performing professional, time is a non-renewable asset, a financial instrument. Every wasted minute is a direct loss on the ledger. This device, if you dissect its engineering, is a strategic investment in reclaiming that time. Consider its professional-grade customization, offering 3 adjustable speeds and 3 distinct heads, from precision to coarse. This is not a one-size-fits-all gamble. It allows for targeted care, eliminating the frustrating trial and error that wastes precious minutes, buying back a full quarter hour from your weekend routine. Next, the high-efficiency USB rechargeable lithium battery. It delivers up to 5 days of regular use on a single charge. Think about that. 5 days of readiness. No more frantic hunts for replacement batteries. No unexpected downtime. That frees up dozens of minutes weekly, reclaiming full hours annually that would otherwise be lost to charging cycles or frantic battery swaps. Finally, the ultra-hygienic maintenance system. Washable heads, an open-loop design, and anti-splash structure. These aren't minor conveniences. They mean post-task cleanup is reduced to mere seconds, not minutes. This design choice ensures the device is always ready, always clean, shaving valuable moments from your routine, minutes that accumulate into hours. Now let us speak of physicality, the tactile truth of engineered permanence. This is not a flimsy plastic shell. In your hand, it commands respect. A reassuring 7 inches in length, with a core chassis that likely approaches 1 pound in weight. A solid ½ inch of cold industrial-grade aluminum encasing the internals. There is zero flex in its structure. The grip, likely 3 inches in diameter, is substantial, not decorative. This is a tool, not a toy, built with a purposeful heft, designed to withstand years of consistent, demanding use. You will note an initial quirk. The first charge requires a full drain, then a full recharge, to condition the battery. Many might see this as an inconvenience. I see it as a necessary pro-only trade-off. It is the signature of a battery system engineered for enduring performance, not for immediate gratification and rapid degradation. This is a system built to last, demanding a moment of setup for years of reliability. Global stock levels for high-quality, purpose-built tools remain unpredictable in 2026. Supply chain disruptions are an ongoing reality. Furthermore, pricing on components and final assemblies are in constant flux, shifting with market demand and manufacturing capacity. This means the price you see today might be significantly different tomorrow. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.